A couple of painters reached out to me recently, and they reached out to ask for one technical support or the other. One was asking how to fix a damp, the other was asking how to fix mold, and somebody was asking how much to charge for a particular job. And when I asked each of them how many years of experience they have, one said 2 years, the other said 3, and somebody said 5, somebody said 10 years, like that. And I started asking myself, so if you have been painting for a couple of years and you still have issues with technical areas like this, which are fundamentals, they are basic things you ought to know from the beginning, that means there's something wrong somewhere. Now, I started thinking about this and it worries me a lot. And that is why when we started this painting class, we came up with an idea to start a foundational course that prepares a painter to become a professional painter, because we've come to discover that in Nigeria, a lot of people started painting out of survivor, the fact that they know one uncle on the street, they have one daddy or somebody somewhere, and they follow the person to side and started painting like that. And they have never had the opportunity to go to a trade school or vocational school to learn in a proper way. And when you look at the business of painting, it's a professional business, and before you can scale, you can succeed and deliver excellent finishing and also make good money, you must be technically sound. And that is why we are talking about technical competence. For you to be technically competent in painting, you must be well groomed, you must be well trained. And that is why we have put together a 12-week program that is going to help you with all of those areas, from surface preparation to surface treatment to paint and estimation to how to write a quotation to how to brand and build your painting business, how you talk to clients, communications, ethics, and every other important areas that can make you succeed as a painter. See, a lot of people believe that painting is not lucrative. It's not so. It is because of how you have been doing it. How do you charge for something that you don't have a full idea of? How do you charge a client and the client is going to pay you well? If you don't understand the value that you carry, nobody is going to put the same value on you. So for you to become technically sound, you must go for trainings, and that is why we have put together this training for you to be technically sound. Now, the training is in 2 parts. It's both theory and practical. We are going to come for 12-week program, which is class-based. Then after, we should go for 3-month internship. It is a combination of theory and practical. We are looking for a situation whereby we create a powerful and a technically sound painter who is going to deliver excellent finishing and make good money. What others are struggling to achieve in 5 years, you can achieve in 2 years, even less than 2 years, because of the knowledge that you have. So I invite you today to come for I Paint and Design Academy training, and you will never regret it.